Get excited about the 2015 Dodge Charger. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, and more. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.